The third tool that we'll go through will be the PVC cutters. This PVC cutter allows us to cut the PVC pipe cleanly and efficiently as we build our vehicle. To use the tool, we pull apart on the handles and it will reset the blade. To cut, we ratchet the blade closed through the piece of PVC. These PVC cutters aren't known to be precision tools, so don't be worried if your cuts have a tendency to go at an angle. That's just part of using the tool. So let's demonstrate how it's done. We'll take one of our PVC pipes where we've done our measurement. See, we have our marks. Take the blade of the tool, place it right on that mark, and then ratchet through the part. And we have nice clean cut, our 3-inch part.